Euro USD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about Euro against dollar, right? Now, before we start the video, I have so many things in my mind, so let me gather my thoughts. And in the meantime, you can go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you're new. Subscribe, and if you already have subscribed, make sure you like my every video. It's your duty, okay? So you're getting something for free, which is worth thousands of dollars. So your job is to subscribe and like and press the bell notification. Below the video, you will find many links. You can go and check out these links, including free Telegram channel. If you want some free signals every now and then, you can join my free Telegram channel, check out the brokers and all. And the link which I want to talk about is this join monthly membership. You can click on this link by the end of the video and go and check the benefits, all the benefits you can get if you join the monthly membership and increase your profits. Okay, so let's get back to the analysis, right? So starting with the top-down approach, weekly, daily, 4-hour. Now, if you have seen my yesterday's Euro USD video, and I don't really need to record this video because yesterday's video is kind of, explaining everything, okay? Anyways, so let's do this. Weekly, we are uptrend, okay? So it's a strong uptrend, and then daily again. Yesterday, I told you already that this is a double bottom, okay? Go watch my yesterday's video. I told you this low did not break this low. So this is a medium trend, what we call reversal. It's a trend reversal, okay? And then this candle is going to eat this red candle. So we're going to enter buy here and then we're going to go up. So take your 100 pips, walk away, get lost, okay? Tomorrow, Euro USD, 100 pips, nothing, no rocket science here. And then in 4-hour as well, we have broken the, the price has broken the EMA and closed above. So yeah, you could either wait for the test of the EMA. Okay, you can wait for the price to retest the EMA, or the trend is strong. So normally what I will do is I will enter as soon this candle is closed. So right now the US market is about to close in 1.5 hours on 6th of May, and we are talking about trading on 7th of May. Okay, so on 7th of May, bottom line is get your 100 pips in Euro USD. I can see it; it's clearly visible to me. If nobody can see it, it's not my problem or fault, okay? Euro USD tomorrow, 7th of May, or whenever you're watching the video. On 7th of May, Euro USD, enter buy, take your 100 pips profit, get lost. That's all I have for you. No rocket science. If you want to know why, then go and watch my previous video for Euro USD from yesterday. I've explained it's a double bottom and then it's a medium trend reversal, okay? So I think it's not a pullback, or even if it's a pullback, it will come with rejection, okay? So let's say this price goes until here, okay, maybe until here, okay, and then we will have a long wick and the price will come down and then it will act as the pullback of this price, okay? So if I maximize this, so let's say this is a downtrend, pullback, new low, then pullback, and in pullback we will get 100 bips, and then we will have a long wick. Sellers will be pushing the price down, okay? In both the cases, we don't fucking care. We care about our 100 pips, which are there for taking, okay? 7th of May, Euro USD, enter after the close of this candle in Delhi. You get your 100 pips. Wait for 24 hours, you will get your 100 pips, and then come and tag me later, okay? Subscribe, like, nobody tells you this. Nobody will. It's all for free, and I hate myself for that. Let's see for how long I can do this, how long I will carry on doing this, giving you free money. So yeah, if you, obviously it doesn't matter if you like or not, truth will be truth, okay? So tomorrow we're going to go up, babies, 100 pips, all right? And subscribe, like, share the content with your friends and family because whosoever is doing trading, okay? Tell me who does this for free. Leave your comment if you know somebody, okay? Subscribe, like, and if you want to join membership, check out the links and all that. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Let's make some money.